Wow, Kefai, what are you doing? Train? Wow, very nice. Say ciao muna to Nyan Pam.
Ciao.
Ciao Nyan Pam. How are you?
What's the spiders?
No, the spiders, not spiders.
It's not the spiders.
Nunche. Wow, treno. Wow. Mommy. Oh no, what happened? What happened? Huh? What happened? Caduto 1, 2, 3. Ah. Yan pa! Kamusta lahat? We miss you. Na-miss namin kayo. Sobrang tagal. When last time we vlog? I think 1 month, 2 months ago. Even more. No, 2 months. 2 months ago. No, so I don't remember, guys. But we want to make more videos. No? Gusto natin pagpatuloy itong ating pag-vlog. Kasi, guys, nag-turn on ako ng camera and then Nancy said, let's vlog! Let's vlog! Kasi guys, malapit na. The date is near. Huh? The date is near. But we haven't posted... We haven't posted yet yung ating gender reveal, which is nasa hard drive ko pa, hindi ko pa na-edit kasi sobrang busy sa work. And yan, si Nancy busy sa study niya kahit wala na siyang work. Actually, how many months you are not working? 1 month. Ano na siya, maternity off. Correct. Maternity leave. Yeah, maternity leave. At kasi it's May na, so ang due date namin it's May. So malapit na yan. So this vlog parang update lang to. We just want to update the life update to Nyan Pa. Marami na nagme-message sa akin na, oh, when is the next vlog? How are you? Why you don't do vlogs anymore? So kailangan natin mag-update, guys. No, we have to really do an update video. Kaya ito na yan. Actually, si Nancy na gano'n, let's vlog. Anyway, it's a good weather today. Medyo mulan kaninang umaga. Pakita ko sa inyo. No, I just told them na medyo mulan kaninang umaga. Yan, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung halaman namin ni Nancy. Yan. Diba? At medyo mainit na ang panahon. No? Today, it's a bit starting to be a bit warmer. I don't know. We don't know because it's strange ang weather today. It's changing every day, every minute, every hour. It's actually changing. Pero like now, it's 14 degrees. Kanina was 18 degrees. In the morning was 10 degrees. Malaki yung difference, guys. So, sana dumating na yung summer para medyo comfortable na tayo. Okay. First update for Dylan Art. Update ni Dylan Art is makulit na, no? Sobrang kulit na niyan. At magsising yan ng tong-tong pagkitong. Sing na tong-tong pagkitong. Tong-tong-tong pagkitong. Bye! Ay, mano sa gat. Masasarap. Mahirap. Bye, sing. No sing? Siguro. Okay, bye. Da. Nagiging hyperactive, guys. Hyperactive itong bata na to eh. And, makulit. Update, the newest update for Dylan is ano na siya. Started to learn na magwiwi and magkaka sa kaka chair, no? So wala na siyang diaper, so makakatipid-tipid na tayo. Now we save some money for the diaper, but then the new baby will arrive.
3 years already with Dylan, and then 3 years, 6 years of spending on
diapers. Yes. Okay. So ngayon nagluluto kami. Mamaya na tayo mag-update. Do you want to update them already with the pregnancy or later? In a while. It's actually big. It's sobrang likot, guys. Itong bata na to. Mas malikot pa kay Dylan. It's moving more than Dylan. Yan.
Yes.
So, I think magluluto si Nancy ng... What are you going to cook? Menudo. Gagawa daw siya ng menudo. So, tignan natin kung makukuha niya yung menudo. So, actually, madali lang naman lutuin natin mga cuisine. Yan, guys. So, talagang nakaka-miss, no? Mag-vlog. I really miss vlogging. You see how excited I am, like, to turn on the camera. But, mostly kasi, guys, I don't know kung nahihiya ako mag-vlog ulit. Or I don't know what to say in the vlog, kaya hindi nakapag-vlog, hindi makuha ng courage na mag-vlog. Kaya nagiging rason na lang yung busy-busyhan natin. So work. Yeah. Anyway, we try our best, guys. So pagpasensyahan nyo na kung ang edit ay medyo mabilisan or yan, pagpasensyahan nyo na, but we'll try our best na makapag-vlog tayo palagi. Yan. Daily vlogs? Daily vlogs? Wow. Nice tattoo. Nancy, daily vlogs?
You're just taking my belly.
Oh.
You're just taking
Sorry. I don't see.
Daily vlogs. Yeah, it depends on you, not on me.
Daily vlogs. It means editing every day. It means vlogging every day, turning on the camera every day. Yes, that means this.
You can do one vlog, but daily
it's very difficult to find what to say, I think. Pero like before, we're doing daily vlogs. I think it will come na it will become like a normal habit. Because I remember when we were doing the daily vlogs, I remember that no pressure at all. I don't feel the pressure of what to say, what to vlog. It's just documenting the daily life, no?
No, you have something to talk about because anyway, yeah, daily life, we always have something to do.
Yeah, always something happen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So abangan nyo mamaya update on the belly. So tutur muna namin kayo sa ating mga new items sa house. Nancy will do the tour of the new items in the house. Like Dylan's bedroom, and sala, whatever is it, puzzle update. So, yan, busy siya. So, let's go.
I'm looking for finding Abigail.
Abigail Marquez, for cooking. Shout out Abigail Marquez. I hope you see this video. Dylan's room. Yes.
It's not even finished, but
Not yet finished, but
it's a mess because
it's a mess because I just did
just 5 minutes ago I asked Ian to finally, after 1 month, to put that one
to put
on
here.
the wall because
Yes.
1 month I'm asking.
So, ito na yung bagong place ni Dylan at nung ating bagong baby na patating. Ayan, di ba? So, yan. Okay, finish update here. Not yet finished. Go. Nagpa-paint pala ako ng pintura pala ako dyan.
No, it's the best part.
Yeah.
No, andiamo di là a fare il treno.
Andiamo. Go. Let's go. Come.
Vieni a vedere.
Let's go. Let's go.
This is coming back for a long time.
Yes, this is where Dylan. Actually, itong ano na to, itong how you call this in English? Passeggino, stroller or what? Kay Sharon pa yan sa kapatid ni Nancy. And then Sharon, Nancy, Dylan, and then another baby. Yan, we cannot say the name, we cannot say the gender.
There's no hint.
Okay, now we go here. Let's pet Dylan. Ito yung puzzle natin. Oh, di ba? Malapit na matapos 'yan. Oh, di ba? Puro blue na lang 'yan. Konti na lang, guys. Blue na lang. Tapos na 'yan. So, pwede na natin 'yan, no? So, I'm doing a little bit of exercise. Yan dyan, guys. At may mirror tayo dito from IKEA. Yan, bumili ako ng dumbbells. So, body reveal tayo after a while, guys. So, makikita nyo yung ating achievements, improvement. Yan, so, Dito tayo sa corridor, guys. May mirror na rin tayo dito sa ating corridor. Yan. At you want to show your plans? Yes. Okay. Now let's go. Kasi sa sala, since si Nancy, ano na siya, dito lang siya sa bahay. So she decided na take care of plants more. Yan guys. So yan ating mga plants. Of course, dito sa side na to pa rin. And improvement pa rin tayo sa plants. And also sa labas, yeah, may mga ilaw na rin tayo dyan guys. Para sa growth ng ating kasi dito sa corner guys, madilim. So hindi siya nakakakuha ng sunlight. So naglagay kami ng grow light, ang tawag dyan, from Sansi, para makatulong sa pag-grow ng mga halaman. Yan. Meron din dito sa kabila guys. Yes. Meron din tayo dito sa kabila. Yan, grow lights ang tawag dyan. So, kapag mga indoor plants, malaking tulong yan for the growth ng mga halaman. Yan. Tingnan nyo naman guys, ang ganda ng ano nito, ang kanyang texture. And also this one, it's also growing.
This is the Shindapsis.
You can see. How you call this?
Shindapsis.
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 It's amazing. This one is
Yeah.
my favorite.
Ito yung mga survivor sa winter. Yan. So still growing pa sila. Ito just survive. Yan, may bago siyang ano. Yan. So yan natin mga survivors. Ito yung kinuha namin sa sa park. Also this one is growing because it's already pointing up.
No, it's because they were smaller. I just put yesterday. I'll give you baby.
Love you too. Say mo love you nyan pang. Love you Jun. Yan guys. So yun.
Saying andiamo yun.
Andiamo dun. Okay. Andiamo dun. Halo-halo yung language ito ni Dylan. Andiamo dun. So, yun guys, ang ating mga update sa bahay. And then, what else? So, magluluto muna si Nancy ng menudo. Tapos, later, update namin kayo dun sa pregnancy. Kasi meron tayong important news para sa inyo about the pregnancy. And, gender reveal after this video. I think I can edit. Yan. Kasi medyo, kaya di ko siya ma-edit guys. Yung gender reveal.
You have the chance to write what's your guess?
Yes. So guys, put down in the comment down below kung lalaki ba o babae. Which, what do you think? Boy or girl? Team boys and team girls. Yeah, guys. So, hindi ko pa siya na-edit kasi it's a bit of strange that video. It was a very
Dark and
fast, dark, because Sharon was about to leave nung time na yon to go to Milan. So we just do fast like this. It's dark and it's not really planned, and yeah. So it's hard for me to edit to make the story, but anyway, we will update. We need to edit and we need to let you know before the delivery. So it's missing only few weeks.
It's only baby may say.
Yeah.
Everything is ready.
Yes, so we'll update you on that later on this video. Kaya stay tuned now. Magluluto muna tayo. Let's go. Lumibat. Oh, Jetro. Yung lumang bed ni Dylan, yan. Binenta namin, hindi pa kinukuha.
Baby.
You're so close. Sopra questo. Mabili. Ito gawa ni Dylan.
Dylan.
Si Pato Dylan. Gawa to ni Dylan, no? Show to them. Show to them. Show to them. Sobra. Wow.
Daddy, no, Daddy.
Questo?
Here.
Sì, Ngayon guys, recently, nahilig talaga siya sa Lego and kapag nag-lego yan, hindi mo mas ma-isturbo yan. Talagang focus siya sa Lego. No, and he's creating this... Skusa. Sorry, Daddy fix. Tsaka ang galing niya gumawa guys yan. Oh, yeah. So sorry siya. Skusa guys is sorry. Skusa. Ako nakasira. Siya pa nagskusa. O, di ba? Patumali. It hurts. Yan. Pag may patumali, it hurts. Kikis niya yan. Without question asked. No, he'll say, patumali, it hurts. Patumali, daddy. Wow, patumali, daddy. Grazie. Grazie. Thank you. Kabla. Ano masasabi mo sa niyan, Pam? They said they miss you. Say, Ma, miss you too. Oh, say, I miss you too. Sing na lang tayo tong-tong pakito. Pero hindi ma-disturb. Tong-tong pakito. Ito.
Tayo pala bangko.
Sing mo na ikaw, tong-tong.
Tong-tong pakito. Mano sa gadat. Makiap masarap. Maidap. Mauli. Sa pagkat.
God. Grazie, bravo. Clap hands. Tutto. Grazie. Fatto tu. Wow, fa vedere questo? Show to them. Questo? Wow, fatto Dylan? Ha? Wow. At ito ang ating Italiana. Yan, nagluluto. Ano yan? Menudo. Wow. Oh, I do rice.
No, we don't.
I forgot the rice.
No, faccio io.
Okay. Wow. Complete meal. Filipino meal. Menudo. Oh. Following oh, I don't show because we will copyright.
You will?
Copyright. You just say Abigail Marquez. I cannot show her video because we will copyright. No? Wow. So, how is your experience using cooking menudo? How many times you did? It's not the first time. Oh, Bicol Express died. Bicol Express.
Yes.
Mata carrots è poco.
Lo so, erano piccoli, non sono più grandi, quindi vabbè.
No more? Okay. Va bene. Okay. Prepare the table. So, no, magsasaing pa daw siya. Later, I prepare a bit later. Tanto. Magsasaing pa daw siya ng kanin. Okay, sunset. Sunset dito. Sunset. Medyo malamig. It's cold outside. Oh, wow. Marunong yan magsaing, ha? Kala nyo di marunong yan magsaing.
2 and a bit.
Yeah. 2 and a bit? 2 and a bit measurement.
Remember, when I do it, it's always more.
Yeah, Nancy, when Nancy do it, they said 1 cup, only 1 cup. Pero it's like full, it's like full until...
I don't know what happened. I did some magic.
Depends, maybe 1 cup and you use this one.
Ano? Okay lang.
Let's see kung marunong siya magsaing. Of course, marunong niya magsaing. Of course, you know how to saing.
No. If you want this to wash your hair.
Oh. Wow, family?
Isagyan mo to. Ayan, kung bibigyan mo yun.
Ayam. Okay, ayam. Ayam. Okay. Oh, you wasted one butil. We call it butil. One butil, one grain.
Non c'è.
No, non c'è.
Un chicco. Ma in Italy we waste this at every wedding.
See, you throw in the end, also in the Philippines.
I throw rice.
Catholic. Okay. Basta, konti. Dopo, it doesn't taste anymore. Huh?
Second
Okay.
time.
The famous measurement, Filipino style water measurement. It's perfect, that water.
I really want
A little bit more. It's not good. A little bit less.
Graham.
Graham?
I really want Graham.
Ma, you can do. We need to buy Graham crackers.
Oh, yes.
The crackers.
The story is that
Measure? It's correct, the measurement? Okay, correct. Wow. Minudes.
only thing we don't have bay leaves.
It's okay.
So I cannot put.
When Nancy graduate, we will just take one all the time from there, no?
Only one. Because I need to keep it for my
Okay.
the memory.
Okay. No, it's not baby.
Usually who takes it, it's
Kaya kasi dito guys, pag nag-graduate ka, nilalagay nila yung bay leaf na leaf, parang corona, nilalagay dito sa ulo.
it's a story. Now I don't remember it, but it's a story.
Okay, search it guys. Story about graduation in Italy, why they put laurel in the head. Okay. Because it's the sign of knowledge.
Dante.
Oh,
Was that Dante, the one that has the... You don't even know who is Dante.
it's Julius Caesar put this. Julius
Stavo
Caesar.
per dire Giulio Cesare, però non c'entra niente.
Julius Caesar. See. So ito, malapit na ang Mother's Day, May 8, guys. Ito may invitation sa school ni Dylan. For sure they will do something nice.
Show also yours. It's
Like, meron din kami yan ngayon, no? So, Father's Day last time, kasama ko si Dylan, nagpunta kami sa kasama ibang mga bata, all the kids and all the fathers, we play around. Yeah, mother's not allowed. Actually, their mother came, pero they they said no. Yeah. Okay. Yan guys, so prepare na tayo ng lamesa at kakain na tayo after the rice.
I will tell you the...
Then we'll do the update of this belly, what happened, and some news. Right? A bit. Oh, finito. Oh,
Ako see.
it's okay. Guys, with rosemary.
Non fai cooking. Ho già finito.
See. Tu fai you eat rice? You want rice? Okay.
Io faccio cookie.
Ma se lei è piccolina non c'è.
Small this chair.
Molto c'è.
Oggi c'è.
Small.
Oggi c'è.
Small.
See.
Small.
Small.
Poi dovevo
Hot,
indicare
hot.
if it's- Ah sì.
Careful, it's hot.
Dai un attimo se
Vroom, vroom.
Salt.
Missing salt.
No, non lo so.
Put the meat also. One meat.
Grandi.
Piccolo. Così. Aspetta. Try daw natin guys kung kailangan ng salt or... This is good with the liver.
Infatti già l'avevo ricetta, ma don't expect me to ever buy or liver.
The Philippines.
No. Non voglio proprio I'm sorry.
Buono. Sì. Ci sta. Very good. Sarap, sarap. Nako, paparami na naman tayo ng kain. Ano na ang diet? Ha?
We always diet.
We always diet.
Always eat good.
Diet. Eating good. What happened? fake. It's fake. It's fake. There you go. It's hot there. Come here in your chair, Dai. Sit down in their chair.
Pronto mangiare?
Dai, sit down.
Dopo pizza, adesso basta.
Dopo fix, yes.
Oh, un attimo, Dylan.
Bit more rice?
Oh,
No, a bit more sauce.
and sauce. Just the sauce.
Okay, luto na guys ang ating menudo. Ano Nancy? Ang ating menudo. Oh, look at that. Wow. Tamarice tayo with rosemary. See, questo per Dylan, rice. See, rice. Guarda là, vai. Sit down nila, rice. Come here, go. Come here. È buono? Buono? Uh-oh.
Si è staccato.
Up guys. Kain na. Kain muna tayo. Kainan muna tayo guys.
Update also on how picky is Dylan now on the food, so it's very difficult. So
Yeah,
we need to
another
hide
update. The meat.
He's not eating the meat.
Yung meat guys, ayaw niya
He
nakikita.
doesn't try. No, it's not that he doesn't like, because it doesn't even try.
Yeah.
He just see it and
doesn't want to see it. Like, and sabi ng parents ni Nancy, especially mama ni Nancy, ganyan din daw si Nancy nung bata pa siya. So, like mother, like son. Piggy. I don't know kung ganun din ako, pero I think all the kids have this attitude.
They have around 2 years.
They have something
2 to
that
3 years. There is this picky
thing, yeah.
period, pero you just need to be patient.
Patience. Sì, ce l'hai qua. Vai, fa vedere che mangia tu. Oh, mangia. Anche oh, bravo. Yan guys. So, kain muna tayo. I think I tried already the menudo. It's really good. And Nancy is cooking. It's not the first time nag-cook siya ng ganyan. So,
Menudo is the first time, but usually Filipino food is not the first time. The thing is, it's not complicated. It's really complex because there's a lot of things to
put.
A lot of ingredients.
I think Filipino food is always like this. You put a lot of things. Yeah. Not like Italians are simple, but
It's
guys,
more difficult, but actually, Italian food
it's much easier to do. So guys, I think kain muna tayo and then we update you about the pregnancy. No, like this we can focus eating at like always. No. Okay, kain muna tayo and then I promise you after this time lapse of eating, we will update you on the pregnancy. Stay tuned kasi you have to hear what we have to say. Alright, see you in a bit.
In a long lost dream is where I'll find you, with the wind blowing through your hair brings me to my knees.
Yan family, tapos na kami kumain guys at sobrang dami ko nakain. Busog na busog ako. Also Nancy have pain in the belly, but it's not because she ate a lot. It's because our baby it's moving a lot. So she have pain, kick here, kick there, and kick everywhere. No? Dylan.
No.
Ciao.
With mommy on top, no.
Okay, so Nancy is doing itong exercise niya para sa ma-relax siya ng konti, no? Now is the time na tayo, mag-update na tayo. You want to sit here beside me? Like this, I can point the camera like this. Gabi na, anong oras na guys? Oh? 10 o'clock na, ganyan pa yung ka-active. Oh. Active, hyperactive. Oh. Come here mo. Alright guys, so wait.
Don't expect silence.
No silence guys. Okay, tu mezzo. Tu in mezzo. Così.
Mantus!
Dove?
Manalo!
Ha? See, okay. So, guys, don't expect peace here because Dylan it's sa gitna. So, don't expect peace.
Consider that it's like this 7 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah. Ayun. Okay, guys. We will try our best to talk, okay? And where do we start? Okay? Can you hold 1 second?
There? What's this?
Where do we start? So,
What's this?
there.
Tong pocket
So, guys,
Tong pocket tong.
so guys, first of all, we cannot start, guys. We cannot start
This is also
how we.
I have conversation with
Okay, so where do we start? So missing only how many weeks? 3 weeks. 3 weeks missing. So the baby will come out in within 3 weeks. Everything is okay. Baby is healthy. Everything it's good. You want to say? Oh, no. Let's say first and then you say. Oh. So guys. No way. Okay. Guys, gaya nga sabi ko, there is one only thing that happened. Sa sobrang likot ni baby because the baby it's moving a lot. He managed to turn upside down. I mean upside down. Upside up. Downside up. No.
It's actually correct. Standing already.
Yeah. So he is standing already. So
He's sitting. It's actually sitting.
sitting. So the head is actually
The head is up, yeah.
the head is actually here. His head. The head is actually here. So the doctor said it can turn. It can turn in the right position to have a normal delivery.
Yeah.
There's still a possibility, but anyway, Nancy it's booking also for cesarean delivery.
Not booking. Did you give me?
Yeah, say.
Not
I mean,
booking.
you're not booking, but I mean they're booking you on
They
a.
obviously, yeah.
So these two options. So until the delivery date, it's observation, no. So doctor said it can turn. I
Until the
hope
same day. There's sometimes
they turn.
the same day of the
Because it's time to they feel no there's time to go out no.
Okay,
Okay
now
now
it's time to go out. Let's go.
yeah, so we hope for that. So Nancy will have a normal delivery, no cutting, no operation, because it's Nancy's biggest
I'm scared
worried. Yeah.
I'm scared of the anesthesia.
The anesthesia.
The spinal.
Yeah.
It's
So
a bit scared. I'm not scared of the needle. I'm not scared of the operation itself. It's just the not feeling half part.
you sit properly. I feel like you're not. I feel like you're not sitting properly. And you're like this.
C'è di là addosso.
Oh, così. Okay. Yun, guys. So,
I'm just scared of the feeling of not feeling half of your body.
because of the
But
anesthesia.
the first time ever being anesthesia. So it's the first experience.
First experience with the anesthesia.
With something big like this, obviously I did anesthesia for my teeth, but it's different. It's different feeling.
Different feeling. Imagine the whole body. Oh, half body is not working.
Like you're giving distraction to their feet and they're not moving.
They're not moving. Pero in your mind, it's moving. Anyway.
No.
Anyway,
it's okay,
actually,
whatever.
Nancy wished for this before when Dylan was born. She asked the doctor, anesthesia, please,
No,
anesthesia.
in the moment of the delivery.
In the moment of
if
delivery,
you
pero-
ever delivered naturally, you think you think that you cannot do it when you're asking anesthesia. No? After 30 minutes, he was born. So
Yeah, and the doctor said, no, you don't need Nancy. You're too young. You're young, you can do it. Don't worry. We are here to help you.
and this time
And this
that
time-
I studied, you prepare myself. I did exercise.
Did exercise, preparing yourself. this is when we didn't know yet that
The whole pregnancy, I got ready for this.
yeah, that's why we have this big bowl for her exercise now to prepare. But anyway, whatever is it, ang ating first priority is the health of the baby. So important
The
is
baby has
health.
always been good.
Yeah, the baby is
Dylan, the
healthy.
baby had a lot of
Yeah.
problems.
Yeah, if you're watching the vlogs, like you're always watching our vlogs, previous vlogs, you know Dylan has during pregnancy, Dylan has this virus.
I had this virus.
Nancy had the
It was
virus.
negative while I was pregnant. Lo so che puzzano, grazie.
Puzza piedi. Yes, so if you know that story,
Is born positive.
yeah, if you know that story, yes. So me, I told, sorry guys for the casino, for
I
the,
hope it's understandable.
sorry guys.
But this is literally our life.
Yeah, I always tell Nancy, no, that I feel more worried before with the virus because it's a health risk for Nancy and for Dylan that time. This the only, huh?
Così?
The only problem we have is the delivery, the way to deliver this baby. So, what do we have? So, yun guys, ang ating update for pregnancy. Everything is okay, the baby is healthy, the baby is good. The only thing is how he will come out. No? We will update you if something happens, so let's pray it's still the baby can still turn. Okay, why? Oh, sing ng tom-tom pag ito?
No!
Si.
No!
Sing.
No.
Ah, okay. Where's your mata?
No!
Where's your ilong?
No.
Ang cute dun, no? Babe, na salu. So guys, that's it for this vlog. Thank you very much for watching.
I want to say also, I did
Okay. Malulobot na tong ating camera. Okay, go.
after the news that the baby turned, because it's a recent thing. It's 3 weeks
3 weeks
or
ago.
4 weeks ago anyway. Si puzza. After they told me, I started to do. I was a bit worried because of course I didn't want C-section and everything, and I started to do the old exercise. I did some. I don't know if you know Moxa. Dolcissimo.
To
The
turn,
Chinese,
to help.
one Chinese treatment. They put some hot
Something
wood
in your feet.
anywhere on your body. No,
Mm-hmm.
anywhere in your body to treat something. And I did this one also. No,
Okay.
okay.
Bye.
To turn the
Basta,
baby. I did exercise like going upside down, staying a lot of time
Flowers.
upside down, walking like a dog, no dog way. A lot of things I did. Nothing worked. After a while, I was like, I just accept it because if the baby want to turn, I will turn, and if it will go like this, it will go like this. I cannot do anything.
Yeah. If he doesn't want,
it doesn't depend on me. Quindi
yeah,
I
it
can
depends
do.
on this baby.
I can do everything, but after a while, I just got annoyed of staying upside down and non
Anyway,
puoi
if he
scendere da
didn't-
lì, bestia.
If he will not turn, we have a story to tell him. You didn't turn. You are like this.
And I have both experience.
Yes. Okay, guys. I'm sorry to cut. The story will update you of this happening if something change. No, guys, and
Nothing changed. You will see us
You will
directly
see
the
anyway.
day of the delivery. Dylan, ti fai
Yeah.
male e mi fai
and we
male.
will try to vlog
Basta.
more. Promise. Even
Scendi un po'.
I will not.
Di là.
Even I cannot edit in a nice way. Anyway,
No, basta, mi stai fai male.
just to let you know
Guarda.
our story,
Basta.
our daily vlogs, our daily life. No. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's it for this
No,
vlog.
non me l'hai messo
I
per
hope
bene.
you enjoy the video, even if it's just for update. And I will try to edit the gender reveal like this. You know. Write down in the comment, boy or girl, okay? Good night, guys. See you on our next vlog. Ciao, ciao.
Non si può fare così, non si può.
Say ciao ciao niyan fam.
Faccio.
Say ciao niyan fam.
No. Abi.
Mommy fine no.
No.
Fine no.
No.
Mommy fine no.
No.
No. Okay, good night. Just.